Hi, this is my vision board. I want to get higher scores in all subjects in school. And I want to do more fun things with my friends like take bike rides to the mall and talk and hang out. I want to save more money, so I'm not going to buy things I don't need. And I want to have a video game tournament with my family sometime soon. My future dream is to open my own restaurant someday and make my own original dishes. Japanese, but with a little Western touch. Western, but with a little Japanese touch. What's your vision board look like?